What's going on, guys? It's another one from me. This time we're in Wales for 2 nights in a row. So I'm climbing a couple of hills in Wales. You can ask me what they're called. Perhaps I'll post it on the link below. But yeah, come join me. It's quite late. It's about 7:30, so I'm trying to get to the top of this one. Then we'll find a place to sleep. Give me the stink eye. So I haven't done much filming because I got here quite late, as mentioned, and I had to set up my tent and ended up setting it up in the dark, which is fine. I set it up well. And yeah, looking forward to tomorrow. I'm going to do a long walk tomorrow. But yeah, I've just literally set my tent up. It was dark. I've not really had time to have anything to eat, so I've just had a couple of cereal bars and that's it. I'm going to get some snooze and make sure that I'm ready for tomorrow. See you in the morn. Right, so I'm headed back up to the top now. Back up there. I slept on this side last night just to get out of the wind. A really windy night. But yeah, my tent was blowing everywhere, so couldn't show you much as I was packing up. But on to the next destination, which is a short, I think it's about an hour drive away. So I'm going to head back down the other side of the mountain. And yeah. Someone is fully playing bagpipes and the Scottish national anthem. Just stopped. Top of a mountain, awesome. My first time using the water filter and it was delicious. Really tasty. Right, so I've just come down the other side of the mountain face, had a bit of lunch, really good, and just got to walk around this beast. This is there are 2 lakes that I'm sort of walking around. It's about 12 miles, 9 miles, I don't know. So walking around this whole thing and then heading back to the lake I was at earlier today, and then setting up a camp. Hopefully it's about 4 o'clock now, so hopefully we'll find somewhere. It was tough. Just did 2 peaks up there and they must have been about 700 meters tall. So, but yeah, enjoying it. So I've just come from the tops down there. I walked all along that ridge. Walking along here, back to the original tarn where I was at before. Okay, so all set up. Much lighter than my previous. Well, I'll take you through it at some point. I'm just going to get some food on. Tonight is beef stew with potato. I'm in bed already and it's still kind of daylight outside, although the sun's dipped behind the ridge. Today was tough. It was training for coast to coast, so walking as much as possible, and I've just realised how hard it's going to be. But I enjoyed it, thoroughly enjoyed it, and I'm going to sleep very well tonight. See you tomorrow. Morning, buddy. Lol. Morning. I slept like an absolute log last night. The best I've ever slept in a tent. I think a lot of the new equipment has really helped. So I'm feeling pretty positive about us. Yesterday I was a bit grouchy about the prospect of walking a lot of miles and not sleeping, etc. But now I feel good. I think I'm going home, so I'm quite happy about that. But I think this has really put it in perspective for me, how tough it's going to be. But yeah, pretty pleased that I slept so well. There are like a million insects on my inner tent, which is all good. But yeah, it's been a really good trip. I'm going to make some breakfast. What view? Check it out. The view outside my tent is unbelievable. That's good. There's clearly only one way through the mountain, because these sheep are all going the same way. Right in key they barred. Treacherous. Right, I don't know if you can see, but that's where I stayed last night. Leave no trace of. Check it out. It's insane. Such a nice day. Okay, gonna head back to the vehicle. I think it's about a 45-minute walk and enjoy the ride. I thought I'd be really stiff after all the walking yesterday, but not at all. I actually feels fine. There was a little cool, what is going on with my, anyway, there was a little cool salmon farm back there just next to the stream, and there was some salmon jumping out. Okay, so I'm gonna stop for this. There's loads of people starting to fill up now. I'm just going back to the car, as I said. Thanks everyone for watching, really appreciate it. Please do hit subscribe and hit the like button, and I'll see you on the next one, which will hopefully be, it could be the coast to coast, but I might try and fit one in between. So yeah, see you guys, cheers, thanks for watching.